Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Gmail after signing in, go straight to the gear icon and choose See All Settings. Once there, click the Accounts and Import tab to reach Name Controls. Find the Send Mail As section and identify the address whose display name you want to change. This immediate path takes you to the specific field rather than general account pages. Make sure you're editing the right address, especially if you manage multiple Send, Mail As entries or aliases for the same account. Click Edit Info beside the Send Mail As entry to open the dialog box where the display name lives. Type the new name exactly as you want recipients to see it. Once done, glance at the sample formatting so you understand spacing and punctuation effects. Select the radio button with your new name, then hit Save Changes. After saving, compose a new message and confirm the From field shows the updated name. Make sure the correct alias remains selected if you have multiple addresses. Finish by sending a quick test message to yourself or a different email to verify how the name appears to recipients. If the display name did not update, sign out and sign back in or clear browser cache and retry the edit. Sometimes delays or cached pages block immediate changes. Make sure Google Workspace policies or aliases aren't locking the name. If they are, contact your admin. One key troubleshooting tip: wait 5 to 10 minutes and then refresh settings before
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.